Hi guys and girls, and welcome to Andy Robinson RC. On today's show we finally have the Tamiya Jun Watanabe Hornet, and it's now been completely restored due to, at great expense as well. Not the cheapest cars to restore these. So since you last saw it, the body shell has now arrived. It's a genuine Tamiya one. I thought if I'm going all out on this, I want to put a genuine Tamiya body on it. And we've also got genuine Tamiya Jun Watanabe decals as well, which I managed to find from Tamico. They still had some at a reasonable price, still probably dearer than normal, but still at a reasonable price. So we got them, and the only thing that hasn't gone on it is the new set of tyres. I don't want to run the brand new ones. Excuse me, there's a car reversing. Every time I come here to film, it always ends up being busy. But this is the best weather I've had for the last few days. So anyway, yeah, so I don't want to put the new tyres on yet because I don't want to ruin them up. They will just be for like shelf display. Anyway, so I've got these slightly older ones on. What else did we do? I'll do a quick recap. So I replaced all the D parts on this as well. Yeah, we put new suspension blocks, new suspension pivot blocks. What else did we get? New body mounts at the rear as well. Gave it a thoroughly good clean as well, and we replaced it for the 540 for a fresh silver can as well. So I didn't know what the old one was like really. And so yeah, it's all now been decaled up, which is a complete pain to do, or I found it pretty challenging. The spray paint went on absolutely fine. That was just Tamiya PS1 white. And yeah, the stickers were okay. There are some imperfections, but I'm not going to show you them. I'm pretty happy with it. And then I've just done little touches like a pink fluorescent aerial tube. I'm waiting for some pink body clips to turn up. And then decal wise, the only things I did different from the box art is I put the Hornet sticker on the top there where it would usually go on the normal Hornet. And you can just see on the side of the chassis tub, I've put the two little Hornets either side, just because I wanted to really. But other than, oh yeah, we did put bearings in as well. But other than that, it's now finished, apart from I need to find two lights. And ideally, although they're hard to get now, I want the black rims for it. But I'll get them as and when if I find some. But other than that, it is done. Anyway, let's give it a bit of a run. So, put the handset on. Okay. I don't want to go too crazy with this. I really don't want to damage this body that I spent ages on doing. There we go, it's pretty nippy. Marking a look at that, it looks great going around, and you'll never lose it. So yeah, great stuff. Actually, I kind of wish that Tamiya will do a few more of these types of releases. I was chatting to someone on some of the comments on one of the Facebook groups, and they'd like to see it released. I suppose, yeah, it would be nice to see it released, then other people can get this, because it's so hard to get hold of now, and it's expensive to restore one, or even just buy one. So yeah, it would be cool to see them really release it again, but I would like to see them do maybe another different design, limited release different design. I think that'd be cool. But yeah, you either love these or you hate them. Personally, I like the Jun Watanabe Hornets. Yeah, it looks great. Just give it a couple more passes and then we'll bring it in. go. So it's finally done. It's been restored. It's now destined for extremely light use now, with just the boring black tyres on, and shelf duties, because it's not worth wrecking it at all. Yeah, so I hope you like that, guys. I'm glad I could get it done fairly quickly and show you completed. And yeah, we'll hopefully find the finishing touches to it as and when. Anyway, it's damn freezing out here again, so I appreciate you guys and girls tuning in and watching the video. Thanks again. If you'd consider subscribing to the channel and hitting that notification bell and giving it a like, that'd be brilliant. That'd be much appreciated, as we'll have more content as always coming soon. But now we're going to love you and leave you. Take care of yourselves, and there you go, Tamiya's Jun Watanabe Hornet limited release. Right, take care and see you later.